Hello, lovely people. Welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's recipe, we are making this easy, delicious Ghana jollof rice recipe. This was so lovely. The outcome was perfect and delicious as well. Without wasting time, let's go and prepare this jollof. Into a pot, I'll go in with some oil, let it heat for some few minutes. After that, I went in with some onion. So I'm going to give this a stir and let it be on the fire for some few minutes before I'll go in with my blended pepper mix. So this is my blended pepper mix I added, and I will stir everything all together. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, I'm Getty. You are welcome to my channel where I share easy food recipes here. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, at this point, I went in with my blended tomatoes and I'm going to stir everything all together. So I'm going to leave this on the fire to cook on a medium heat. While this is going on, I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks for always using your precious time to watch, like, share, and also leave a comment under my post. I'm truly grateful and God bless you all. To my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing and thanks for joining this amazing family. So at this point, our stew is doing well and there is no water. So I went ahead to add my tomato paste at this point. And what I'm doing now is I'll just give this a quick stir and then cover it again. Okay, fam. At this point, our stew is cooking beautifully and just look at it. So I went in with some seasoning, that is curry, bay leaf, beef and chicken seasoning. I also added some salt and seasoning cube. I will then stir until everything is well combined, and I also went ahead to add my corned beef to my stew, then give this a quick stir. If you have watched me up to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach more people. So fam, at this point, our stew is well cooked. So I'll just go in with my rice. You can use any rice of your choice, and I will mix until all the rice is coated with the stew, and I'll toast this for some minutes before going in with my hot water. So now I will just mix until the rice is coated with the stew. We are on all socials. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my detailed short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. The name still goes Getty Cooks, and this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any amount. So what I added was some salt and a pinch of seasoning cube. I also went ahead to add my hot water and then stir this. Alright fam, if you have watched me up to this moment, it means you like what you're seeing. Please give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach more audience. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So after mixing everything, we'll go ahead and cover this. So we'll be cooking this under a low medium heat, and after 10 minutes I'll flip the rice for the other side to also cook very well. We are not going to add any water at this moment, so we are just going to use the heat to cook the rice very well. After some time on the fire, checking on our jollof rice, it is well cooked. Just look how perfect it turned out, and this was easy to prepare as well. I really love the outcome. So I'll just go ahead, guys, and then go in with my fried sausage. So I'll stir everything together and then cover it for just a few minutes before taking it off from the fire. And let me still remind you, subscribing to the channel is free. You don't have to pay any amount to anybody in order for you to subscribe to the channel. Alright, lovelies, our jollof rice is finally done and ready. The outcome was so lovely and delicious, and you will love this when you give this recipe a try. This was so easy to put together with just a few ingredients. And let me know what you think about this recipe and if you'll be trying this in the comment section below. And I went ahead to pair the jollof rice with some fried plantain and also with salad. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach more audience. And thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.